All right, folks. We have some 1981-82 Topps basketball. I was selling these on eBay, and some of these have some kind of nastiness on them. That back, it's kind of hard to see on there, but there's like a dark brown. It's almost like a mold, but dirt, but could be mold. But anyways, I thought that I would pull those out and not sell them, and I would open them for everyone's viewing pleasure. So they've got numbers because I was selling them that way. Alright, so here we go. And these are good. Oh, yes. Ah, look at that. It's probably got some wax issues on it, but I'll give that a good wipe. First pack, Bird Magic, Adrian Dantley. These are definitely in a sequence, I believe. I believe I pulled these same cards out of another box. Yep. I mean, out of another pack. Oh, wow, this is so good. Mitchell Carr, Bratz, Gervin, Moses Malone, Calvin Murphy, Super Action, ML Carr, Steve Hawks. Wow, this is a pretty darn good pack. Robert Parrish, Super Action. Huh! Larry Bird, Super Action. This one's got some serious gum issues. Dan Roundfield. Goodness gracious. That was loaded. Alright, here we go. Pack number 2. Man, these packs are... Every one I've opened so far has been great. I mean... Ray Williams, Dennis Johnson. Don't think... No, that's not a rookie. I mean, look at that. Not the best pack in the world so far. Really like to get a Magic. I think I've only got one Magic. Caldwell Jones. Boy, these ones that are on the gum side or the wax side. Like that bird. I don't know if you can see it. It's got some wax. It's all wax stained, so that should rub off. That's a little bit of surface issues. I literally pulled another one of these out of another pack the other day. It was after I sold the first one of the group of these packs, and I was like, oh, I'll open one pack, see what I get. I got Dr. J in action, Larry Bird, I think Gervin, or... Ugh, look at this gum. That's some nasty gum. Some of these Alvin Hayes. Some of these gums have some really nasty. That one kind of does. I don't know if you can see it. It's like mold or something on it. Okay, Alvin Hayes, Marquess Johnson. That'd be great if it was Magic Johnson. Knight, Edwards Davis, Stanley Paquette, Bristow, Johnson, Buckner. Oh, Kareem. Swen Nader, because everybody wants Swen Nader. That's a pretty nice Kareem. Their centering is so crappy on this year's cards, but corners are sharp, edges are sharp. Lucas. Kupchak. Caldwell Jones. We had him in the other pack. Yep. It looks like there is some sort of a sequence to these, which of course there is. There seemed to always be back in the day. All right, next pack. Oh, there's a nice one. Yeah. Yeah, the edges are just disgusting. Moses Malone, Robinson, Adams, Bird, Archibald. That's good. That'll go on my PC. That's a clean card. I don't think I have that one yet. There are 2 cards there. Yep, sure. Bird, Archibald. Yeah, clean corners, fairly good corners. That one's a little teensy bit soft. Nice, Bobby Jones, Johnny Davis. Round film, Archibald. Order. Aye. McMillan. Oh, that's Cartwright. Ballard. Oh, these are stuck. Mike O'Corin. Alright, yeah, this one's a nasty one. I don't think I can see that. It's disgusting. Oh, we got Theus, Gilmore, and Theus, Reggie. Oh, there's a Dr. J. This one might have a bird in it also. Yeah, it does. Oh, yes. Another Dr. J. Dude, this box has been loaded. Every single pack, almost every single pack. I mean, that's like the 3rd Larry Bird. Julius. I might get another Dr. J super action in this if it stays with the same. Yep, there it is. Yep, same sequencing. Nice. Yep, that's Chocolate Thunder, Daryl Dawkins. Dr. J. Oh, man, these cards are stuck. Darwin Cook. Sorry, these cards are stuck together. Marvin Webster. Wes Matthews. Man, that was awesome. Yes, I will put these in top loaders and penny sleeves, etc., etc. Come on, last pack magic. I think we've had already some pack magic. Broken gum. Phil Ford. I'd still like to see a magic. Lloyd Free. World Be Free. Elvin Hayes. This looks like the same sequencing as that other one. Gravely. Lucas. Kupchak. Caldwell Jones. Man, some same cards.